is Joy, and I'm here to do my 15-minute crafting challenge with you. And I've pulled out some Prima paper that I bought maybe last year or the year before. I'm not sure if this will work because in the past the Prima paper seemed to break up when you scored it, so I have to be very careful. So I'm going to use my least favourite of the collection. Well, I don't know if that's my least favourite. Just to see if it works. Anyway, we're going to do something that I've just seen a lady do. I'll put it in the description box. She reminded me of something that I did a long time ago when Crafty Irina was on the scene, and we did some folding and cutting. Okay, so this lady, something like the Tulip Outpost or something like that, I can't remember. Anyway, I will put her in the description. She used some paper, ordinary paper, to which she cut down 11 by 7. Now A4 is not much bigger than that anyway. It's 8 by 11. So I am going to do it as she did it at the moment, because I think that's a good idea. Sorry, it's not straight because I didn't cut it straight at the beginning. So I'm going to cut this down 7 by 11. Don't know if it's 11. Okay, it should be 11.5 A4, something like that, or just under. So then my big scoreboard is in centimeters, which is a shame. So I'm going to do it here, and she said to score it every half an inch from 4 to 7. So we're going to go 4, 4.5. I think that's 4.5. 5, 6, 6. No, so 5.5, 6. Sorry, and then 6.5, and I'll have to do the 7 the other way around. Let's do half. This is on 4.5, so I'll do 4 here. Okay, doesn't matter because I need to score them both sides anyway, as we're going to do an accordion fold here to make a little notebook. So just move that a second. We're going to fold this one up and this one down, and then we're going to burnish it. Okay, and then we're going to fold it up and down. Okay, burnish it, and then up and down. I've got a bit of score tape here to do in the folds. Okay, you have to make sure is that your folds are pretty neat, I think. Alright, so there, not so neat as it could be. So I will trim it down because it's a little bit screwy. Okay, this is the thing with measurements. It's much better when you don't have to measure. Okay, so I'm going to I left my ruler her downstairs because I was doing a frame for my friend as the New Year present. So I'm going to have to move this over a bit, see if it will go even. Yeah, and cut it up. There we are. Not so bad after all. So in each of the folds here, you're going to put some score tape if you've got it, otherwise liquid glue. Okay. This is very old score tape. I stopped using it a while ago because I'm going to open it up so that it's easier to put the score tape on. Now you have to remember with this not to go onto the score lines, okay, because if you go onto the score lines it's not so flexible. Not sure that I'm going to have enough. No, not. Look, it stopped there. Now I've got some cheapo stuff which I don't recommend you do, but as it's a demonstration I shall use it. This is from the Chinese store and I don't think it lasts very long, but it will do for this demonstration. Now don't throw these away because some they can be used for frames, okay? On your scrapbooks or whatever. As you can see, I've been using my empty candle holders for holding my sponges. I do have these brushes too. I found them in the local shop, so I bought them. They're a bit weak there, so I suppose eventually they'll break, but they're nice for doing all over the page. Okay. Now I'm already 7 minutes in. Now, good idea to burnish these so that it's easy to take off in the end. Okay. No, I haven't got very good nails at the moment. Don't know what's happening to them. They used to be good and strong. Probably age. No, they seem to break easily. This is not coming up that easy, so start it somewhere else, not at the end, to get it going. See, whoops. No, that's fine. And here too. I don't know how good this is going to be. And most of the people that I've seen, look, 6 minutes left. So I want you to get the idea of this is a little journal to go into your journals. Okay, so if you see, it's a little booklet, and inside you've got these I've forgotten what they are called. Anyway, they will help you to make other. This envelope is too big, but you can stick. Maybe I cut it down anyway because it needs to be open anyway. Cut it down this way. Back to this. How much do I want to cut it down? About 3 inches maybe. And then you can use that for something else. Okay. So that will fit nicely there. I'm going to use some glue this time. Doesn't matter if you don't fill in the whole thing. What you can do, you can get, I don't know if I've got anything here with me. Here we are, I've got time card. I can put that there too. Okay, that's quite nice actually. So I could put 2 time cards, okay, and put the top up there like that, and it can even be poking out, okay, so that you've got a pocket here. Now I have to decide which side I want the pocket. As I've got the pocket that way, maybe it can open at the top. Let me move this up a bit so it's in line, and put this one on the other side, and across here and across here, and then I've got a nice big tuck spot, and afterwards I can cover it in nice paper as well. Okay, so you can put something in the top there. Right, and finally what can I do? I have a green envelope here. That's quite nice. It's a bit big as well. And I've got a smaller one, a purple one. This is the same size. Oh look, I have a little brown bag here. Okay, so I can put that one on there, and put maybe a little tag at the bottom as well, or maybe put that, well, now I've put the glue there, and we've only got 2 minutes left. So you get the idea, and then you can decorate it as you want. I don't like this or like that, so I'm going to get my scissors and cut this edge here to be the same, and this here to be the same, okay, and you can reinforce it and put some new, let me see, where's my, oh, I thought I put it back, I did, it's hidden. Okay, so you can round the corners. Obviously you can cover it in paper, especially if you've got any leftover paper from your digitals. That would be nice. Here I have a card that I wanted to add to it, but the postcard is too big, maybe. If I cut it down, because I don't need all the top, even though it says Oxford Street, but I don't need all the it's saying Oxford Street. Well, maybe I can use Oxford Street for something else anyway. So what did I do? 3 inches? No, I think 3.5 this time. Alright, I like that. And this can go the other side of my envelope. And there's plates for journaling and plates. Okay. You see, it doesn't matter. Just use up your scraps. Okay, I've got 56 seconds, so I'm going to have to finish now. And enjoy the idea, okay? And this can then be put into, after it's decorated, it needs to be decorated more, okay? It can be put straight into a junk journal because it's small enough, and you can fill the pockets with an ephemera, whatever. Here you could put a tag. I don't think I've got a tag here. Something like this with the stickers on top, tag there to fit, yeah, whatever you like. Okay, thank you for watching.